This video guide will help you to get rid of the adware type program that is currently attacking many Mac computers all over the world. And this adware is called PointAnalytics. PointAnalytics is the adware that targets Mac computers today, and it may affect the majority of Mac browsers, Safari, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox primarily. PointAnalytics is the adware that is the part of the AdLoad family. This adware is currently spread through integration with some free applications, so in most of the cases people download and install it pretty unintentionally. This particular adware, once installed, may change a lot of settings of your Mac browsers, and because of such alterations it may start displaying the great portion of advertisements not related to the site that you visit. You may see some ads on top of the content of the websites, and of course you will not be able to properly perceive such content. These ads are also dangerous because they may point your attention to a lot of other shady resources in the internet. So, if you have discovered this particular adware called PointAnalytics, the best solution is to remove it as soon as possible from your Mac computer. To remove this PointAnalytics adware, open your Finder, check Applications, find this PointAnalytics program, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Now, I would also recommend that you additionally examine your system, your Mac computer, with the reliable antivirus for proper detection and removal of other malware or adware threats. I recommend you to get Combo Cleaner on the official website, combocleaner.com. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and then start carefully examining your device. Combo Cleaner, by the way, has got the version both for Windows and Mac computers. But this adware only targets Mac computers, so this is the version for Mac computers. The program will be initially in the trial mode, but it has got certain absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program would begin carefully researching your system. You'll see the summary of the threats that were revealed during the scanning. This summary of these threats will show you the information about what kinds of threats these are, how dangerous they are, and you will be also able to know the exact locations of these threats on your computer. So you'll be able to click on Review Results button. You'll see the information that is given about these threats. Even though some of them can be removed manually, I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to Premium in order to remove all these threats fully and effectively from your Mac. And with Premium license, your Mac computer will always be under the protection against other possible malware attacks.